3, 2, 1.
Notability is one of the highest rated note-taking apps. It offers many different features within the app that enhance note-taking capabilities. Although it is not available on Android devices, Notability is accessible to any Apple device such as iPads, iPhones, or MacBooks, where notes and documents can be accessed through the iCloud. Notability offers many different selections within the notepad. The user can start from a blank note or import a document to annotate. The user can then add notes with their own handwriting, text, or highlight. There is also an undo button, eraser, and cut and paste option for easy corrections. In addition, the app offers voice recording.
Adding media in Notability, you can add things like photos and figures, but web clips allows you to open your browser and actually cut and paste websites, and you can also use post-it stickies to put feedback. You can also open figures and draw a doodle on a blank page. Organization. When you're saving files, you have dividers. Under dividers, so a class, you can save subjects. Inside subjects, you save the individual files. The only drawback, it's limited because if you want to make homework section, classwork section, drill section. How to share files with Notability. You can use the major cloud devices like Dropbox and Google Drive. You can save as 3 different types: PDFs, paper, and recording with voice. And there you can Twitter it and use iTunes and AirPrint. So those are cool features too.
Notability is a very classroom-friendly app that can seamlessly be incorporated into any content area of any classroom. While it can be used for daily note-taking to help create a paperless classroom for both teachers and students, it can also be used for test solutions, science diagramming, exit tickets, or digital field trips. Sharing test solutions with students is made easy through the Notability app. In order to do so, the teacher simply downloads a blank copy of the test into the app and can add the correct solutions to the document using a variety of tools and colors. Finally, the teacher can easily upload the solutions to a class website or email them to students.
For example, science investigations, identifying the parts of a cell. Biology bring biology to life with real images or diagrams, and biology is full of structures and diagrams, so this is something you're going to have to use. And you can save on limited labs. Labs are expensive, so.
Digital exit tickets can also be created with Notability. For example, students could create a doodle note within the app in which they must draw 3 important concepts that were discussed in the lesson that day. When completed, students can simply email the exit ticket to the teacher or upload it to a class Dropbox.
Digital field trip journal. If you want to have an engaging field trip for your students, they can snap and collect pictures of the actual exhibits and record the info with voice. Teachers can also snap pictures and create activities during the field trip, and you can assess comprehension later on when kids create their own projects.
There are many external resources that offer great tutorials, how-tos, and ideas of how to effectively incorporate Notability into any classroom. There's also blogs and reviews that experienced users have created. There's many education-specific sites that provide ways to enhance student learning through the Notability app.
If you want to know more, there's this great Notability overview. It's very thorough, talking about the latest version, version 5. It was actually created using Notability, so it really demonstrates the power of the tool.
This resource was created by an ed tech consultant and tech lover. It's a useful resource with a general description of the app along with 5 ways to use Notability in practice, such as student reading and feedback, paperless classroom, student note-taking, marking and reporting, and conference and meeting notepad. This resource offers 3 classroom-friendly features of Notability to help improve student learning experience. It highlights the sharing capabilities of the app, annotation capabilities, and the handwriting feature, specifically to improve handwriting with either a stylus or the student's finger. It emphasizes that Notability can be used by any age.
You can click this video called Using Notability with Students. This teacher actually created a video showing how teachers can create and assign work, shows how students can access, complete, and submit work, And it's really versatile with demos using different things like Google and Dropbox. Okay, web tools enhance student learning and motivation because some teachers may not be eager to adopt technology, so we found this article really showing how, research-based evidence that it is useful in the classroom. The study we looked at was by Lin and Zhu, and it studied student motivation using Google Apps. 87.5% of students had increased motivation, and 4 out of 5 had positive experiences. And it may be a problem if the students had lack of technology, because all these students had mobile devices. If you want to learn more about this, you should check out our website. We create a website going over all of this and more with external links.
Some of our 2 personal favorite aspects of this app are the ability to share notes and documents with others. Additionally, a feature setting it apart from other similar apps is the voice recording option that it has. Some improvements that we would make to the app in the future would be an availability on the Android devices, ability for collaboration between multiple users, and additional folders for organization. Clearly, Notability is not the only note-taking app available to download, so why should you choose Notability over the others? It highlights the abundance of features that are available through Notability. It sets it apart from other similar apps.